Why my shawl looks like this and what can I do to make it better. I wanted to knit some quick and easy project and I thought this shawl was a great choice for it. This is the pattern that I used. This is just a triangle and it's with the stripes, very beautiful color changing yarn as I like. And I also added some crochet at the edge, which is also nice, but do you see how it looks? Like everything is very stiff and it's not draping at all, and also the crochet part is always like doing this, you know, if it's visible, but it's very stiff and it's not possible to wear it like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to block it. So I asked the internet if you can block acrylic sweater or shawl or whatever, and the answer is yes. You can either steam it or you can block it with the hot water, nearly boiling water, and I decided that I will go for the steam because first take my iron and I do like the steaming mode and the very hot temperature. This is the part of my shawl and I will try to stretch it and then I will try to steam it with the steam. Let's see if this will be possible. Okay, so first impression, it is really much better. It's draping already. Wow, it's so cool. Wow, what a difference does it make? See, this piece is lying like this, and this one is so soft and so even. Wow, you guys, I never expected such a result. Look how beautiful it is. It's so even. Also much bigger than I thought. I'm measuring the result before and I got less than 50 centimeters. I'm measuring the result after. So you see now we got 64, almost 65, which is so cool. Before I got like 50. So somewhere from here, this is the amount that I got. And now you know that you can block acrylic knitting with a simple steaming from the regular iron, and your clothes will be looking just perfect and so much better after this. And happy knitting and crocheting everyone. Love you. Bye.